it begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda, builders, the Force must be strong in this room today. And he is correct. It is now time for us to forge the bond between Builder and Saber. But we'll take this last step the same way we took all of our others. Together. Builders, are you ready to take your final step?
Yes.
Alright, sum up everyone. Take a big step forward for me. Put your hands on your hilts and activate.
Oh my god.
Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, all it takes is one spark. Builders, hold them high and proud. Show them off. You did a wonderful job. Now please, lower and deactivate your lightsabers. The bond has been completed. Congratulations, builders.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. Each lightsaber that you have built is as extremely extraordinary as each and every one of you. Now, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your lightsaber, we are pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Unfortunately, our time together has come to an end. But your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to go out and make your mark out in the galaxy. And who knows, maybe someday I'll be here telling one of your stories. We wish you safe travels, and as we say here at Black Spire Outpost, to the spire.
To the spire!